can see the rear bulkhead. We've actually rebuilt this already, cut apart what was rusted out, and you can see we've got new heel risers, the floorboards are in, the rear floors, the tunnel is in. In this case, we've manufactured and put a new rear seat pan on. The heel rise, or the trunk riser at the back here, is a replacement. And also at the very back here, we put in new trunk boxes. One of the things we did on the trunk boxes, we need to, as we put this together, make sure that there's enough room to put a gas tank in here.